नमस्कार। मैं मनमोहन जिंदल, retired from Canara Bank, IBBI registered valuer in security and financial assets, working from Mumbai. Today we shall discuss some question answers on debt recovery agents for the benefits of the students who are taking this exam. So first of all, we should know that bank is what is bank? It's a business that carries out lending money and accepting money from the public. A person who engages the business of lending money and accepting deposits. An institution that carries the business of accepting money and lending money, or buying or selling. So here the answer is it's a bank. Bank cannot be a person. So bank के बारे में जब तो it's not a business. Buying and selling money, it's not doing this business. So bank is an institution that carries business of accepting money and lending money. So answer is yes. So we should see that we can adopt the elimination policy of the other options and reaches out to the correct answer. Banking. What is banking? Banking is a business. Then same options are here also, but reference has changed. Earlier we have seen what is bank. Here what is bank. So banking means business. So here the answer is business. Here this answer has been uh, disconnect because it is not an institution. We are thinking on the business. So banking is a business that carries out lending money and accepting money from the public. Now another question is that banker. Who is a banker? Same options are there. So here answer is, since a banker, a artificial person. So here answer is that a person who engages the business of lending money and accepting deposits. So banker means a person. A person can be a legal entity also who is having the separate legal entity. The term banking is defined in Banking Regulation Act 1949, Negotiable Instrument Act 8081, Indian Companies Act 2013, or under no provisions of the statute. So here banking, since a full-fledged Banking Regulation Act is there, so banking is also defined in this act. Answer is A. Bank is divided into public sector banks, private sector banks, scheduled bank, nationalized bank, Indian bank, foreign bank, commercial bank, cooperative bank. So here answer is commercial banks and cooperative banks. In commercial banks, all options are covered. Public sector banks, private sector banks, it may be a commercial bank. Scheduled bank, nationalized bank, it may be a commercial bank. Indian banks, foreign bank, it may be a commercial banks and cooperative banks. So broad categories are commercial banks and cooperative banks. Public sector bank contributes 75% of the total deposits or 75% of the total advances. So here answer is C. Nowadays, though a little bit percentage has been reduced in the economy, but this question is consisted like that. Public sector bank contributes 75% of the total deposit to all commercial banks and 70% of the total advances to all commercial banks. So answer is C. Public sector bank consists of State Bank of India, nationalized banks, government banks, public banks, all of the above. So here public sector bank in which government has a stake of more than 51% are State Bank of India and nationalized bank. So government banks भी nationalized banks को ही कहा जाता है, public bank कुछ होता ही नहीं, all of the above. So answer is yes. So thank you very much. This is from my side. Before taking any action, kindly go through the relevant guidelines. If you find that if any answer is written correct, kindly write me so that it may be corrected. धन्यवाद.